Welcome to my physics and maths tutorials, where I break things down into simple and intuitive points tailored for you. I'm Matthew Cheng, and I'm going to be your tutor, guiding you along your physics and maths journeys, both GCSEs and A-levels. A little bit about myself before we continue. I've been working with physics and maths since 2008, when I moved to the UK going through GCSE, AS, and A-level system, and eventually doing physics at Imperial College London, graduating with a master's, and now I'm doing a PhD at UCL in data-intensive science, where I explore the overlap between artificial intelligence and space physics. From a young age, I have been inspired by YouTube channels like Veritasium and Smarter Every Day, which really got me excited about science, technology, engineering, and maths. And I hope I can share that passion with you, so that not only will you succeed in your exams, but also enjoy it along the way. As a tutor, I'm very patient and understanding of the unique needs of each student. So you can feel at ease and ask as many questions as you want to clarify something that might have been bugging you for a while. That's what I'm here for. With that said, let's dive a little deeper into what a tutorial with me will be like. So, what will you learn? Physics, a set of laws which govern how energy interacts with matter in space and time. And maths, the language you use to write all the laws of physics. As you can see, physics and maths are interlinked. And in our tutorials, I want to help you understand the meaning of things you are studying, helping you draw connections between different ideas from different topics so that your understanding is not all fragmented with one piece here and one piece there. It's a pain. I will help you see the bigger picture, whilst also mastering the skills you need to solve exam problems. I will give you tips and tricks which I have learned while studying physics at university to help you build a stronger foundation to tackle more advanced problems. Things like dimension and units analysis, order of magnitude estimates, and other best practices with calculations, which have helped me tremendously, and I think will benefit you too. In terms of the content structure, I will follow the specification for your exam board, so my notes will be reflective of what you learn and do at school. This is the platform I do my teaching in. It's called Notion. It is a cloud-based platform that is interactive, and you can access it anywhere using the internet. When we are learning about new topics, I like to hide the information first and ask you what you know before revealing the key points. I think back and forth discussion really helps the learning process because it makes you think. As much as something might make sense to you in your head, until you can talk about it and explain it to another person, you haven't really understood it. Another way I like to help you learn is to practice applying the theory we learned together by doing exam questions. We will work through problems together with you guiding me what to write on the page, so that you start building an intuition about the problems that could be asked. I also give you some homework to consolidate your learning after the session. So from these trainings, I hope you will not only be able to solve the problems, but actually talk about the ideas too. If you like the way I break things down and you want to improve your skills in physics and maths, and actually understand the why behind what it is that we do, then I would be more than happy to work with you. I appreciate your time listening to me.